Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix account is currently suspended issue on TikTok. So as if you're trying to log in your TikTok account but you're facing this issue and you are unable to log in your TikTok account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to open your TikTok and then tap on login button from here. And from here tap on a left side corner button. Here you can see this, and from here you have to tap on other from here, and from here tap on need more help, and from here tap on submit a ticket for email support, and from here you have to tap on topic or select an topic, and after this you have to tap on general account inquiry, and from here select option of category, tap on the recover account, and from here you have to give here your username and then your email address, and from here in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, that you have not violated any community guidelines but your account has been suspended. So as you have to simply give here all the instructions and details, and after this you have to simply submit this report to the TikTok team. So guys, they will review your account, and if you have not violated any community guidelines, then your account will no longer be suspended and your account will be activated soon. So guys, hopefully this will help you and it will recover your account soon. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.